Welcome to my channel. In today's DIY project, I'll be showing you how to make a set of candle holders look like you got them from a high-end store. And what we're going to be using are these little custard bowls from the Dollar Tree. So we're making a 3-piece set, so we need 3 sets of those, okay? That's going to be 12 pieces. I'm going to be using my Aleene's tacky glue. You can use Mod Podge if you'd like. I'll be using these vase fillers from the Dollar Tree, and this is the Crafter's Square brand. And I'll be using about 1 bag plus a little bit. So I'm just using my paintbrush to apply my tacky glue inside of my bowl, and I'm omitting the base and that edge because they will be covered in the end. Then I'm adding my vase fillers, and they'll stick right on that surface, and I'll allow them to dry. So I applied my glue to the inside of my bowls, allow them to get tacky for a little bit before I start adding my beads, my vase fillers. Just keep watching till the end. You're gonna love this set, and it's the perfect Christmas gift for just about $10. And this is what I have left from the 2 bags. I'll also be using this pack of votive candle holders. It comes with 4 in the pack. I'll be using 3 of them because we're making 3 candle holders. To glue my pieces together, I'm using the Aleene's mixed media adhesive, and I'm just applying a small amount around the rim of each piece that need to be attached, and I'm allowing them to sit for about 1.5 to 2 minutes so they can get tacky. After they get tacky, then I'll attach the pieces together. So now I'm just lining up my bowl to my candle holder, and it's almost a perfect fit, just a little bit off, and I'm just making sure that it's properly aligned. As you can see, the tacky glue is still white. That means it's not fully dry, but I won't be closing the 2 pieces up together until it's dry. In the meantime, I'm preparing my mirrored mosaic tiles. I'm just cutting strips of 4 rows, and I think I use about 4 sheets of these mosaic tiles. I'll leave the link in the description box in case you'd like to find these. Now it's time to glue all my pieces together, and I'm using my same mixed media adhesive, and I'm just applying it to my bowls, and I'll follow the same procedure. Just leave them to get tacky for 1 minute, 2 minutes before I attach them together. And I'm just trying to make sure that they're all aligned. So I'm going to be showing you how to do the one with the 2 globes. So we're making a 3-piece set candle holder. So this will be the first one, which is the smallest one. Okay, the next one up will be 2 globes, and then the third one will be 3 globes. So just attach all your pieces together. Just make sure that they're aligned. Just eyeball them, and I'm just turning it to make sure that everything is nice and straight. Now this is our second size. As I said, it's 2 globes for this one. Now it's time to attach my mirror tiles, and I'm just putting my tiles right over that seam. Just make sure to start adding your tiles so it can be straight, going vertically, so that way you'll end straight. When you're attaching the tiles, you want to make sure that you're stretching it just like I'm doing right here. Okay, not too much because it's on a sticky paper and the paper will break, but you want to stretch it so it will hug that curve. If not, it's not going to look good. So I'm just using my X-Acto knife to cut the extra piece off, and if you have a small overlap, it's fine, it will sit right on top of the next. And I'm also adding my mirror tiles right around the base of my candle holder. It's short, so I cut a little strip and I'm adding it right in there. And we're done with this one. So for the third one, just add another globe And we're all done. So for this 3-piece set of candle holders, you can use a votive candle or you can use a tea light. I'm using a tea light, a scented tea light. And just take a look at this beautiful set. I'm really loving it. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section below. I really appreciate your comments and any thoughts that you may have. Please give me a thumbs up if you haven't done so already. It helps my channel to grow, and the more I grow, the more content I can produce. All right, I really appreciate you spending the time to watch. If you didn't see this video a couple days ago, click on that rectangular box and it will take you right there. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.